How would you like to win our very first giveaway car? This is our very first car in our satin black collection. This is a fully custom manual 370Z. This Z is equipped with the Nismo body kit, new Kansai Astro wheels wrapped in Nitto NT555 G2 tires, and a carbon fiber hood custom painted. We dialed in the suspension using Godspeed coilovers to make the car feel more planted to the ground, making the ride more enjoyable. To really make this vehicle stand out, we've actually decided to do a custom satin black paint job for the whole vehicle. Since this is our first giveaway car, and you're lucky enough to watch this video, you might be the person who takes home the keys to this 370Z. All you gotta do is purchase anything on our website to get entries. We offer items like digital entries, apparel, vinyl wrap, and window tint. So what are you waiting for, guys? Secure your tickets below.
Thank you.